F1 student visa rejections in the United States hit decade high. What's behind the surge? The United States of America has recorded a decade-high rejection for F1 student visas in the fiscal year 2023-2024, with 41% of foreign applications being denied, according to an analysis of the US State Department data by the Indian Express. This marks a significant increase from the 2014 fiscal year, when the rejection rate was nearly half of what it is today. During financial year 2023 to 2024, the US received 6.79 lakh applications for F1 visas. Out of this, 2.79 lakh applications, which is about 41%, were rejected, which is a sharp rise from the 2022-2023, when 2.53 lakh of the 6.99 lakh applications were denied. While the US government has not released country-wise refusal rates, the Indian Express previously reported that the number of student visas issued to Indians in the first 9 months of 2024 declined by 38% compared to the same period in 2023. Despite the steady increase in the F1 visa applications post-COVID, the total number of applications has declined over the last decade. The peak was in 2015 with 8.56 lakh applications, but the numbers gradually declined before hitting a low of 1.62 lakhs during the COVID-19 pandemic in 2019 to 2020. In financial year 2023-24, the US issued 4.01 lakh F1 visas, which is a drop from 4.45 lakhs from the previous year. So why are more student visas being rejected? When asked about the sharp rise in rejections, a US State Department spokesperson stated, and I quote, "All visa adjudications are done on case-by-case basis in accordance with the provisions of the Immigration and Nationality Act and applicable federal regulations." The US government also cited a change in methodology for visa data calculations starting financial year 2019, which affects how application outcomes are recorded. However, no additional explanation was provided for the rising rejection rate. However, despite higher visa denials, Indian students have surpassed Chinese students to become the largest international student group in the United States, according to the Open Doors 2024 report. Indian students accounted for 29.4% of all international students, reaching 3.31 lakhs in 2023-2024, which is the highest number ever recorded. Why is this a global crackdown on international students? The rise in F1 visa rejections comes amid the growing global restrictions on international students. Canada announced in 2024 that it would cap the number of study permits, reducing them by 35% compared to 2023, citing housing and infrastructure pressures. An additional 10% decrease is planned for 2025. Meanwhile, the UK has introduced strict rules preventing foreign students from bringing dependents, leading to a 40% decline in international student enrollments at British universities.